perennial demonstration garden at the University Center for the Arts, and we're at the gazebo. And what we planted for the gazebo is a vine called Campsis radicans, called trumpet vine. Sometimes it's called Trumpetcreeper. And as you can see, this vine has a twiny type of growth habit. If we didn't put these ties and so forth on it, it would be to some extent staying, but it needs some support. Otherwise, it's going to be a ground cover. It's very vigorous. It can put on a lot of growth each year, and it blooms on new wood. One of the characteristics about this, though, is if you look at the twig, it's a very smooth twig, and if you look at the leaf scars, they're rounded and they're sunken, kind of like a crater shape. It's in the same family that we had with Catalpa speciosa. The Bignoyaceae family, where you have that sunken leaf scar. You will also see that above the leaf scar, it's encircled with a circle where it encircles the whole twig. And occasionally also on the twig itself, you will get some aerial roots developing like we had on Hedera helix, but not as common. Now, what happens midsummer is that you will get flowers on this, especially on a new growth, which will be trumpet shape. And they'll be orange or yellow or orangish red. And they're very showy in bloom. And then you'll get a fruit like we had with Catalpa, where it being actually a capsule that'll split, and it's quite large, that capsule fruit that you have. Now, basically what we will be doing here in a short period of time is we will probably cut this back because it's so vigorous, and we get a lot of vigorous new growth that it'll climb pretty much to the top of this gazebo in 1 year. Now, it's also unique in that, as you can see here, it's going to be opposite, and it has pinnately compound leaves with quite a few leaflets, a pretty good medium green color that you'll have with it also on the leaves, just some yellow fall color on the vine itself. But it becomes fairly woody, as you can notice here. These have just been out here about 3 years, and you can see in 1 year they will climb all the way up to the top of the gazebo. Campsis radicans, trumpet vine or trumpet creeper, both common names often given to this plant.